The VRS investment team understands that decisions they make today must support the current and future needs of Virginia's teachers, local government workers, and state employees.
The most fulfilling thing about working at VRS for me is that I can see the impact of what I do. When we make investment decisions, that ultimately helps the plan pay its benefits.
The number of times I've had people come up to me and say, oh, my mother is a member of VRS, or my sister is a member of VRS, or my brother is a member of VRS, and they're so thrilled that they get their monthly deposit and are able to retire with the security that provides. That's a great feeling.
The Virginia retirement system serves almost 1 million people, whether they're current employees or whether they're retirees. And for me, being able to make a meaningful impact on the stability of their retirement is extremely important.
Our team of investment professionals are highly trained and credentialed in their fields. Their collective expertise is crucial to managing a portfolio valued at more than $100 billion.
We have long-term liabilities or obligations to pay pensions. And so if you think about that participant community, we've got folks that have given their years of service, that have retired, and maybe are later in that retirement phase. And we also have brand new employees that are just now starting to contribute into the plan.
It's not a 1-year or a 2-year endeavor. We're really looking at trying to collect the funds, invest them, and provide a stable source of payments for a very long period of time.
We're not beholden to a lot of the short-term noise that we would have to deal with on a daily or even a monthly basis. So if we keep our eye on the prize, which is long-term, we increase our odds of success.
Working with professional consultants, the VRS Board of Trustees sets an investment asset allocation policy and establishes benchmarks with 2 main goals: to maximize long-term investment returns and to target an acceptable level of risk.
We as a long-term investor don't seek to minimize risk, we seek to manage it. Because if you minimize risk, you also minimize return. So we try to take prudent risks, and we expect to be compensated through returns higher than we would get from a risk minimizing strategy.
We believe in active management. We think with active management, we'll get higher returns for the fund over time.
So that also provides the opportunity to beat the market, because you can't beat the market if you are looking exactly like the market. There's always a trade-off. So we're trying to use our knowledge and make the best investments that choose the appropriate trade-offs of risk and return to have a consistent and smooth return profile over time.
For us, it is getting the best return that we can get for the beneficiaries and members of the retirement system. And so they can have a very stable and enjoyable retirement after their hard work.
The team really is focused on that mission. That is what drives us every day. So while we may, spend our time in meetings talking about particular investments or strategies, it never is far from our minds that we're doing important work to support people who have served the state of Virginia.